Are you running a small or medium business and want to set up Microsoft 365 and Azure, but don't know where to start? Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step blueprint for creating a secure, modern, cloud-based IT environment in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. Let's begin by understanding our goal, building an environment where your employees can access email, Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive. This environment also allows them to secure their devices, collaborate safely, and run essential applications. As an IT or business owner, you can manage everything centrally, powered by Microsoft 365 and Azure working together. For most SMBs in 2025, the rule of thumb for licensing is Business Premium for proper security or Business Standard for basic productivity. I recommend Microsoft 365 Business Premium because it includes Intune, Azure AD Premium P1, Advanced Security, Device Compliance, Email Security, and Data Loss Prevention. This package provides enterprise-level security without the enterprise pricing, making it ideal for small to medium businesses. After purchasing licenses, the initial tenant setup begins at admin.microsoft.com. You'll add your domain and verify DNS through a TXT record. Then, migrate existing users or bulk create new ones and assign Microsoft 365 Business Premium licenses. A crucial tip, avoid creating users without assigning licenses, as this can lead to non-compliant states later on. Now let's secure the tenant. Key steps include enabling multi-factor authentication for all users, which can reduce attacks by 99.9%. Block untrusted device logins and enable security defaults, or set up conditional access policies to block high-risk sign-ins. Implement device compliance policies requiring secure login and anti-phishing policies in Defender with safe links and safe attachments rules. A best practice for 2025 is to turn on continuous access evaluation, which blocks risk-based sessions in real time, often within 5 minutes. Azure Active Directory, now Entra ID, is your identity backbone. Start by creating security groups based on roles like HR, Finance, and IT. Assign licenses through these groups, never manually, to save significant administrative time. Create admin roles carefully using the principle of least privilege and limit global admin access to only a few users. Intune brings enterprise-grade device management to small and medium businesses. Onboard Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices into Intune. Push baseline security profiles, including always-on firewalls, disk encryption via BitLocker, and strong password policies. Deploy approved apps automatically, such as Office Suite, Microsoft Defender, and Edge browser. No one should manually install software anymore. Now, let's structure data. OneDrive is for personal work files, while SharePoint is for company-wide shared repositories. For SMBs, create departmental sites and project sites within SharePoint. Set permissions by group, not by individual user, to avoid messy permission chaos later on. Microsoft Teams replaces old-school WhatsApp groups and unsecure file sharing. Create channels by department, enable guest access only when needed, and turn on data governance policies. Azure Cloud add-ons offer real value for small and medium businesses. You can run virtual machines, deploy web apps, and host line-of-business applications. Use Azure Storage for secure file archives and back up your Microsoft 365 data. Azure provides scalability and redundancy with predictable monthly costs, making advanced IT accessible. 2025 is compliance-driven. Turn on data loss prevention, sensitivity labels, retention policies, and audit logging. These features protect against accidental data spills, insider threats, and legal or data breach penalties. For ongoing monitoring, use dashboards like Secure Score, Compliance Score, Identity Risk Detections, and Defender Alerts weekly. This proactive approach is how you stay ahead of evolving cyber threats. So that's it. We went from zero to a secure cloud infrastructure using Microsoft 365 and Azure. We covered licensing, tenant setup, security, Intune, SharePoint, Azure services, and governance. This blueprint works effectively for companies ranging from 5 users to 500 users. If you want help implementing this setup for your organization or want to audit your current Microsoft 365 environment, reach out to us at AGMP Consulting. Let's modernize your IT securely, reliably, and cost-effectively. I'll see you in the next video.